Hey guys, it's Michael here from Happy English. For today's English lesson, we're going to take a look at 7 different ways that we use the verb happen. Are you ready? Let's check it out. First of all, we can use happen to talk about situations and things. When something happens, it's not planned or occurred by chance. You'll notice in these examples that the subject is a thing and not a person. That's a key point. Something happens. I heard that an earthquake happened last night in California. Another accident happened today on the highway. The robbery happened because the shopkeeper didn't lock the door. We also use the phrase, "it just so happens that," or "it just so happened that," followed by a sentence. This is another way to say that something was not planned or occurred by chance. It just so happened that Bob was in the office when I got there on Saturday. I guess he had a lot of work to do too. Well, it just so happened that I went to the same restaurant yesterday that you went to today. I bumped into Jenny at the party last night. It just so happens that we both know the host. What a coincidence! Next, we can use happen to talk about people. You can say that someone happens to do something. When you happen to do something, it happens by chance. In other words, it was not planned or expected. I happened to see Eddie at the music shop yesterday. Oh, we happened to go to that restaurant that you recommended. It was really great. Thanks. I happened to find out that Jack is going to quit the company, but I don't know why. You can also say that someone happens to be something. He happens to be a good chef. This has the nuance of, by the way, he's a good chef. Or, did you know he's a good chef? Do you know Eddie? He happens to be a very good bass player. Jenny happens to be very good at gardening. You should see her flowers. That guy happens to be the best English teacher on YouTube. I wonder who. You can also use happen to talk about your experience or someone's experience. You can say, the same thing happened to me, or the same thing happened to her. Somebody used your credit card information? The same thing happened to me last month. Ooh, you forgot to bring your train ticket? The same thing always happens to me. Hey, I heard you got lost going to the party last night. The same thing happened to Jack. We also use the question, do you happen to know? As a polite or indirect way of asking something. Excuse me, do you happen to know what time it is? Pardon me, do you happen to know where the train station is? Ask Tommy if he happens to know the name of that actor. You can also ask, whatever happened with, or whatever happened to, when you want to know about a person or the outcome of a situation. Hey, whatever happened to your new marketing plan? Did the boss approve it? Hey, whatever happened to that guy you were dating? You know, the musician? Whatever happened to Casual Fridays? I thought the boss was going to let us dress down on Fridays. Well, I think we happen to be out of time. By the way, did you happen to see my new music video? Yeah, I'm singing an old Japanese love song. Just click the link here and let me know what you think about it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And I'll catch you guys next time right here at Happy English. Catch you later.